Okay, we are here at the Seminole campus of St. Petersburg College, and we're talking to Michael Johnson. Michael Johnson has been involved in the production of a new documentary on Tony Jannus, who's an old-time aviator from St. Petersburg and an aviation pioneer. And Michael, why don't you tell me a little bit about Tony Jannus and a little bit about what went into the making of this documentary?
Well, I think the most interesting thing about Tony Jannus is really his ability to take risk and to be daring. I mean, you're talking about aviation at a time where 6 out of 10 pilots died. To be a person of that type of character, to be a person who not only risks his life on a daily basis, but looks to grow it, when I say grow it, I mean aviation, in a way that it is commercialized, takes a special kind of person. I really think he represents, the American spirit, daring, intelligent, and groundbreaking.
And just to fill in a little background, Tony Jannus, I believe, did his work in the 1920s. Is that right?
No, actually, he was already dead, I believe, by 1920.
Wow, really?
Yeah. I mean, when you say 6 out of 10, that's definitely a serious odd for people dying in the field, and he wasn't one who escaped it.
And he was a mechanic by training, wasn't he?
He started out as a mechanic. That's correct. He started as a mechanic. He worked for Emerson. It was actually a marine boat engine company. That's where he learned that trade. He took that trade and he actually applied it to flying because they didn't have motors built specifically for airplanes back then. So he actually took one of the Emerson marine engines and placed it in another plane. And that was his kind of exposure to being a pilot. But he took off from there quickly. He didn't just he was kind of like a Renaissance man of aviation. I mean, he was a pilot, he was a mechanic, he was also a designer, and he also spoke well about it. So he really ran the full gambit as far as as far as I can consider anyone who was important to early aviation. I mean, he's right up there with the Wright brothers. He often had discussions with him. They got in spats sometime. I mean, he did the first parachute jump from his airplane. Wright brothers specifically said, if you do this, you're going to throw the equilibrium of the plane off and you're going to die. And Jannus, looked at it and said, this is something we can do. And he brought that kind of entrepreneurial spirit and daring to all of his projects, which led to eventually the very first commercial passenger airline service, which was between St. Pete and Tampa.